today sa atin tayo ng concert ng Treasure. Alam niyo ba na isa pa sa nakaka-pressure gawin? I don't know. Bro! Lumagpas ako! What the fuck? Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today is April 16 and it's currently 12:43 a.m. in the morning. And yeah, today is samahan nyo ako kasi nag-enroll ulit ako ng school after after a year or 2 years ng pag-stop sa school because of my idol journey. Actually, last days, nag-apply na ako. And sa mga nakakaalam from my previous vlogs is nag-aaral ako sa Mapua Malayan Colleges of Laguna like MMCL, and yung course or yung program ko is Computer Engineering. And sa situation ko kasi ngayon is kailangan ko pure online class kasi your boy is already a P-pop idol and yung schedule ko is medyo hectic and hindi ko hawak yung oras ko. So, kailangan ko yung maging school ko is kailangan ko flexible. Yung hindi kailangan na sa school lagi. Alam niyo yun, yung may freedom ako. Pero kailangan ko pa rin mag-aral. So, buti na lang yung previous school ko is meron silang ino-offer na digital college. Pure online class siya. It's for their student na kailangan mag-work din at kailangan din mag-school. And actually, nag-apply ako. But this time, yung naging program ko naman is IT, Information Technology. So, yeah, today is nag-enroll lang ako. And grabe, sobrang daming subject. Kung makikita nyo. Yeah, tignan nyo sila. Tignan siya. I don't know, but yan, nag-enroll na ako sa kanilang lahat. Plus, yung enrollment lang pala nila for this term is until 18 and today is 16 and kailangan ko na magbayad ng tuition fee ko. Kasi apparently, magsa-start na yung school ko this April 17. This April 17 sa Thursday na. And actually, buti na nga lang meron silang ganitong option kasi sobrang convenient talaga niya for me as an idol and content creator and at the same time student na rin. Hindi ko talaga hawak yung oras ko kasi bigla-bigla kami binabagsakan ng schedules ng management namin. Dito, sa ganitong araw magkakaroon kayo ng mall show, ganito ganyan. And kung magsischool, babalik ako ng school, kailangan ko talaga mamili. Buti na lang meron yung Mapua Malaya ng ganitong setup ng schooling. Pure online class. So, I'm really thankful to Mapua. So, wait lang kasi I'm gonna pay it muna. Kasi mamaya baka hindi na ako makapasok. And I'm done. Nakapagbayad na ako ng tuition fee ko. Kailangan ko na lang siya ngayon i-submit sa mismong school. Pagkakatanda ko yung last time na school ko is November 2024. A year na and almost mag 2 years na rin in 6 months. Yeah, 1.5 year ako nag-stop ng school. Yeah, yun lang naman yung update ko for today. And siguro balitaan ko na lang ulit kayo kung ano mangyayari sa akin sa first day of school ko. Yeah. Okay, hello. So it's currently 10 a.m. and I'm here na sa orientation namin and yeah, yun lang. I'll see you later. Tara. Hello, today is April 18 and it's currently 1:57 p.m. And today is sa atin tayo ng concert ng Treasure. Yeah, kung hindi nyo man alam, I've been a fan of Treasure since their Treasure Box era. Actually, tumigil siya yung pagiging fan ko sa kanila and nalisan-lisan lang ako, ganun. Yeah, finally today is attend tayo ng concert nila sa MOA Arena. And actually 7:30 ata yung start ng concert, but we have to be there before 5:30 to claim our tickets. Kasama ko pala ngayon sila ate, yung nagmamanage sa amin, and yung ibang members ko sa Project One. Bali kanina is nag-ayos lang ako, konting ayos lang sa mukha, and then nag-film din ako ng Get Dressed With Me. Kung gusto nyo mapanood, it's here on TikTok. Kung di nyo man din alam, yung bias ko pala sa Treasure is tatlo. It's Jungwon, Jihoon, and Jungwoo. But yung ultimate bias ko is si Jihoon. So, yeah, I'm really excited to see them later. And I'm really excited to see them perform live. Especially, gusto ko talagang mapakinggan yung Going Crazy nila. But I don't know kung kasama yun sa setlist nila. But, yeah. Yun lang. I'll see you guys later.
Vlog takeover! Today we're gonna be going to a concert ng Treasure and see you there. This is Jacob, and today he's going to concert in Treasure with Cha Eun-woo here, and yeah, I'm gonna go support my brothers. So see you there.
Feeling mo. Hello, today is April 23 and it's currently 1:30 p.m. And today I have some few errands lang. First is kailangan ko ipakarwash si Leon. Second is I need to go to my derma to check my skin. And last is to do some grocery shopping. So yeah, let's go.
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to Starbucks Regional.
Hello po, isa pong iced caramel latte po. Grande po. Yun lang po. Hello po.
Same, sir.
Thank you po. I got myself a caramel latte from Starbucks. And now is papunta na ako sa pagkakarwasyan. And also, I'm looking for a new perfume din. And last time, pumunta kami ng Mega Mall ni Calix. Napadaan kami sa Scent Smith. Gusto ko rin talaga magka-perfume sa kanila. Tapos, bro, sobrang tagal ko nang minamatay yung Scent Smith. Baka naman Scent Smith. Baka naman pwede niyo akong, bigyan or padalhan. Ito na yung karwasyan. Papag-karwasyan natin. Bro! Lumagpas ako! What the fuck? Alam nyo ba na isa pa sa nakaka-pressure gawin is yung mag-U-turn ka, tas ang daming sasakyan, tas ang daming nabusina sa'yo. So, I don't know. Pero ayan, mag-U-turn na tayo. Wait lang po, I'm so sorry. Wait lang pre! Di ba nakaka-pressure yung ang daming mag-iintay sa'yo, tapos hindi mo alam kung matatanda pa yung driver. Kasi kung matatanda sila, grabe, alam ko na yung mga galit ng mga yan. Good soap. Either. Favorite ko yung nila. Okay, back sa kotse. And medyo may damage lang. Bumili lang ako ng Cinnabon kanina. Mini bun lang kasi ako lang naman yung kakain. Hello, so we just got home from the mall, from everything na ginawa natin ngayong araw. Ayun, I just wanna share sa inyo kung ano yung napamili natin kay Uniqlo. And actually, yung isa isuot ko na kasi I filmed a video for TikTok, like for my series na pag-gastos na naman ako. So, ayun, gonna share din sa inyo kung ano yung mga nabili natin. Magsimula muna tayo dito kasi ito na yung suot ko. So, first one is this gray V-neck shirt and this is around, wait. This is 590 pesos. Yeah, it's color gray and it's V-neck shirt. Plus, it's 100% cotton. So, sobrang sarap niya talaga sa feeling. And knowing me, sobrang bilis kong mainitan. And one thing I really like about Uniqlo is shirt. Like, yung quality ng shirt nila, hindi ganun kainit. Sakto kanina nung pagpunta ko doon, meron silang V-neck shirt. Plus, isa rin na color black. Alam nyo ba na napansin ko, every time na V-neck shirt yung suot ko na shirt, nagmumukha akong nursing student. I don't know why. Siguro kasi nga lagi silang mga naka V-neck. Okay, moving on. Sa last two products na nakuha natin is kumuha din ako ng dalawang boxer shorts. I think 390 pesos each. So, kumuha lang ako ng isang gray and kumuha rin ako ng blue. So, basically, that's it. Yun lang naman yung nakuha natin from Uniqlo. So, Uniqlo, baka naman po. But yeah.